Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well. I am MD Nasir. I live in Bangladesh. I am professional pattern maker. So today I will show detailed, deliberately explain how to make the best cut of shoe. If the measurement length 28 inch, chest 38 inch, waist 34 inch, hip 38 inch, shoulder to shoulder 18 inch, collar 15 inch, slip length 24 inch, slip opening 14 inch, single breast, 2 button, 2 hip pocket, 1 chest pocket, 1 center back band. Let's go start. Now here I start shoot pattern drafting. Paper both edge 2 inch up mark for bottom and neckline seam allowance, seam margin 2 inch, 1 inch folding, half inch fold and half inch neckline seam allowance, 1.5 inch inward mark for center back line, shoot length 28 inch mark, 28 inch shoot length, then make and mark shoulder and neckline. Now here make half back neck with collar length 15 inch divided by 5, 3 inch, 3/4 inch upward mark, back neck round line 1.5 inch shoulder slope, mark and make armhole and chest baseline, chest 38 divided by 4, 9.5 inch, mark repeat 9.5 inch, mark and make waist baseline from each piece, shoot length 28, halves 14 inch, 2 inch down, 16 inch, waist baseline, mark and make waist baseline, mark and make armhole and chest baseline, mark and make shoulder slope line, 1.5 inch mark upward, make and mark back cross point line, inward mark 1/4 inch at center back, armhole baseline 1 inch inward mark at waist, 1 inch inward mark at bottom hem for center back line, drawing vertical line, waist to hip line, drawing center back line, waist to armhole baseline and cross point line, back cross point line, 1/8 inward mark and center back neck line, drawing smoothly center back line, mark and make half shoulder 9 inch, half inch seam margin, drawing vertical line, shoulder point to back cross point, 1 inch inward mark for back armhole line. Here I remark half inch outside for back side seam line, mark and make shoulder point to back armhole line, drawing vertical line. This is back armhole line, mark and make back shoulder line. Here mark and make back waist, waist 34 divided by 6, waist 34 divided by 6, 5 and 5/8, half inch seam allowance, 6/4 inch, 6/4 inch. Here also 6/4 inch back hip, 1 inch plus, mark back middle size seam line, back cross point to waistline, mark back hip size seam line, bottom hem to waistline, back gearing line, back part cut to shoot back part, drawing and marking finish, mark and make back side band length with 2 inch, side back length 7 inch, three-quarter inch down, side back length, half inch seam margin, back part drawing and marking, finishing up. Now I make front part and side panel. Here mark and extension back line, mark and extension shoulder slope line, mark and extend back cross point line, mark and extend back chest and armhole baseline. Mark and extend back waistline same for making front part and side panel. Mark and extend bottom hip line, drawing a vertical line. Make front shoulder, center front line. Make 1¼ inch center front seam allowance and button overlap. Now here make front shoulder, front chest 38 divided by 4, 9½ inch from center front line, seam edge line, 1 inch inward mark for front armhole line, drawing vertical line from armhole baseline to front neck line, neck point, 8½ inch front armhole baseline and center front line, middle 4¼ inch, drawing vertical line, make front neck line, neck point 3/4 inch, upward 3/4 inch inward mark for collar band, rappel point. Here I outside mark 3/4 inch for front side line, side seam line, 1 inch upward mark. Here I measure and mark made front shoulder line 7/4, same as a back neck line, back shoulder line 7/4 inch from front high point shoulder line, 7/4 back shoulder, front shoulder also 7/4 from front high point, drawing back front shoulder line, drawing front armhole line, drawing front armhole lines from shoulder point to front cross line and front side seam line. This is front armhole line. Mark and make chest pocket 1½ inch inward from front armhole line, 1 inch upward from front armhole baseline, front pocket length 4/4 inch, chest pocket length 4/4 inch, chest pocket oil height 1 inch. Make and mark oil top line 4/4 pocket length halves to 1/8, 2½ inch down. Chest dart placement. Now here mark and make first button 8 inch upward from bottom finish hem, first button, second button 4 inch far from first button, 1/2 inch upward mark for front lapel break point. Mark and make front lapel break line 3/4 inch, front neck line, neck drop and front neck deep, collar length 15 inch divided by 5, 3 inch, half inch plus 3½ inch, make collar under line, lapel point to 3/4 inch. Mark and make front lapel point 3/4 inch out of dart line, flap in line, pocket flap height 2½ inch, 3/4 inch dart, front chest dart, front waist dart, seam allowance, pocket flap round line, pocket flap oil mark. Here mark and make front waist line, chest 38 divided by 4, 9½ inch. Mark a vertical line, front middle seam line, front middle seam line waist to front armhole and chest base line, 3/4 and 3/4 outside mark, 1/4 inch outside and quarter inch upside. Part drawing, mark and drawing, finishing up. Now I added losing and side panel. Now cut the back part same as a mark before I mark point to point explain. If you enjoy this video, please like and comment. Here I leave half inch seam margin at center back part, cut 2 piece. Now mark and extension hip line, waistline, chest and armhole baseline, back cross line 1 inch far a mark. Now here measure and make half hip 6 3/4 inch back hip, 6 3/4 from center front line, 6 3/4 hip 20 at hip 38 half 19 mark 19. Back waist 6 inch from 6 inch back waist 6 inch and front waist 34 divided by 2 17 including back hip 9.5 13/4 inch. half 17 front waist, back chest 7 3/4 and make front half hips, make half chest 7 3/4 back hip 7 3/4 back hip center front, make half chest 90 chest 38 divided by 2 half 19 inch. Here mark and adding loose tight fitting loose 3 inch, medium fitting 3.5 inch and loose fitting 4 inch. Now I make medium fitting adding 3.5 inch at waist, 3.5 inch at bottom hip line, make side panel seam line, waist and chest and armhole baseline and back cross point. Here mark and make side back bend same as a back bend length and width. Now here mark and make side panel front side seam line, this point 2 and this point. Quarter inch inward mark. Half inch down for here oil seam and lower part and top part seaming and half inch. Front side short coming, side panel half inch short. After sewing time after cutting and sewing time, same line side panel and front middle seam line same half inch. Side panel green line, shoot front part and side panel part, mark and drawing finishing up. Now I start cutting same as a before I mark and cut outline same. Thanks for watching. Like and share, comment on this video, subscribe my channel, click the like icon button for next video. 1.5 inch inward mark for front center front bottom round line 2 inch down from first button, make a cut half inch down. front armhole, looking good and shape good. Front part, side panel, back part. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment on this video, subscribe my channel. Next video, sleeve and collar and rappel and lining next coming soon.